Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Text to Speech and Speech to Text. AI that understands and speaks. Imagine your computer not just displaying text, but actually listening to your words and speaking back to you. That's the magic of text to speech, TTS, and speech to text, STT. These aren't sci-fi fantasies anymore. They're fundamental AI tools transforming how we interact with technology. For us developers, understanding these tools means we can build applications that are more intuitive, accessible, and frankly, more human. Think of it as giving your apps an AI ear to listen and an AI voice to talk. Speech to text, STT, is exactly what it sounds like. Converting spoken words into written text. When you talk to Siri, Alexa, or use voice typing, STT is the AI working behind the scenes. For a developer, STT is like having a super fast, incredibly accurate transcriber built right into your application. You give it an audio input, maybe from a microphone or an audio file, and it gives you back a string of text. It's an API call away from letting your app understand spoken commands or transcribe entire conversations. How does a computer hear words? It's not magic, but smart engineering. First, your spoken words are sound waves, which are converted into digital data. The AI then breaks this data into tiny pieces, looking for patterns that correspond to basic speech sounds, called phonemes. It uses what's called an acoustic model, trained on tons of speech data, to match these sounds to letters and words. Then, a language model helps decide which words make sense together in a sentence. As a developer, you don't need to build these complex models. You just send your audio to a service, and it handles all this heavy lifting, sending back the deciphered text. Text to speech, TTS, is the reverse of STT, taking written text and turning it into spoken audio. This is what powers your GPS navigation, audiobooks, or voice assistants responding to your queries. From a developer's perspective, TTS is like having a narrator service. You feed it text, any text, and it generates an audio file or stream of that text being spoken aloud. You can often choose different voices, languages, and even control the speaking speed and tone, making your application truly speak to your users. To speak, the AI first processes the text you give it, breaking it down into individual words and even smaller sound units. Again, phonemes. It figures out the correct pronunciation, emphasis, and rhythm. Then, an acoustic model, trained on human voices, generates the actual sound waveforms for each phoneme. Imagine it as an AI chef taking a recipe, your text, breaking it into ingredients, phonemes, and then cooking up the actual sounds, blending them together to form natural-sounding speech. As developers, we interact with a service that handles this entire sophisticated synthesis process, allowing us to generate high-quality speech without needing to understand the deep physics of sound. TTS and STT aren't just for fancy tech demos. They're embedded in countless tools we use daily. Think about voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, both STT for input, TTS for output. Accessibility, screen readers for visually impaired users, TTS. Voice control for those with motor impairments, STT. Transcription services, converting meetings, lectures, or interviews into text. Customer service, I chatbots that can understand natural language and respond verbally. Education, language learning apps, read aloud features. As developers, these examples should spark ideas. How can you integrate these superpowers into your own projects to make them more interactive or accessible? Good news for developers. You don't need to be an AI scientist to use TTS and STT. Major cloud providers, like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, IBM Watson, offer powerful, ready-to-use APIs. This means you can integrate speech capabilities into your apps with just a few lines of code. You simply send your audio, for STT, or text, for TTS, to their service, and they handle the complex AI processing, sending back the results. This makes these advanced AI features accessible to any developer, letting you focus on building amazing applications that can truly understand and speak. The capabilities of TTS and STT are constantly evolving. We're seeing more natural-sounding voices, real-time language translation, and even voice cloning, replicating a person's voice from a small audio sample. As developers building with these tools, it's crucial to also consider the ethical implications, privacy concerns with voice data, the potential for deepfake audio, and ensuring the AI is unbiased in its transcription or synthesis. Building responsibly means being aware of these challenges and striving to use AI for good, creating technology that genuinely helps and empowers users. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.